This is Buddy. Buddy's mom passed away and her daughter took the kitties, but she's got a very little house and a very big heart, and there were just too many kitties in a small space, and Buddy wasn't happy there. So here he is. As you can see, he's a very handsome snowshoe guy. Very friendly thing. He's a little unsure about being here yet because he just came here. Monday we got him, and then he stayed at the vet because he had 2 bad teeth to come out. But now that's all done. He loves to give headbutts. He loves to be petted and attention. He loves canned food. Fish flavors only, please. And he's settling in very nicely here. We haven't started introducing him to kitties yet, but we will be soon. But as you can see, he's quite the handsome little guy. So more on Buddy later.